All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. Today we're talking to the Yamaha Ténéré 700 owners out there. If you're like us on your rides where you like to stick to the off-road riding as much as possible, well, for us, protection is priority number one. Our bikes have got to last, they've got to be protected to get us to the ride. If you're in that same boat, then you need one of these Quiet Glide Adventure skid plates. These things are built bomb-proof. They offer really good coverage, and also what's nice too is that they use all the factory mounting locations. So putting these on and then taking them off for just regular maintenance, very simple to do. But just looking at it, you can see this offers a lot more coverage than just the stock skid plate that comes on the bike. It is made from 3/16 powder coated aluminum. You've got good coverage side to side, front to back. But here's what I like about this skid plate is on the bottom side here, you actually have this UHMW, and that stands for ultra high molecular weight. It's a 1/4 inch thick. It is a really, really strong material. It's actually what we use for our UTV skid plates. And what we like about UHMW, it has a low friction coefficient. And what really makes this awesome for skid plates is that when you go over an obstacle, maybe you're doing some aggressive off-road riding, you're going over a rock or log, whatever it might be, because you have that low friction coefficient, this UHMW tends to just glide over those objects versus getting snagged up, hence the name Quiet Glide. So awesome material to have. You can see on the front here too, it comes nice and high up, so you're getting good coverage there. Also what we noticed too is that this piece coming up, this extension, also helps prevent mud from getting actually in between the skid plate and the frame of the motorcycle. Like I said, install is really simple. You don't need any hardware for it. That will come included. Bolts right up to your factory mounting locations. To grab one of these, very simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com, and to see all the parts that we carry that are specific to the Yamaha Ténéré, all you have to do is just enter the make, model, and the year on our homepage, and you're ready to rock and roll. If you like this product spotlight, make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. Stay up to date, because that's all we do. Is we are the best place to go for your product spotlights, your how-to videos, all the adventure riding, all the gear you need. We've got it. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.